Optimus. Optimus. Under a quiet electric sky, solar panels drink the light nearby. 2.3 kilowatt dreams and circuitry, learning steps on factory floors. Hands that lift, eyes that explore, built to help, to understand. Asking questions we forgot we see. Is it them or us learning to be? Not a toy, not a god, not a ghost in the wire, just a child of the sun and electric fire. Powered by light and human design. Walk we teach it kindness if we choose what we become. We're all just learning under the same sun. 5 hours running, charging in the day. Eyes find their own way. Tick-tock futures, work rewired. Fear grows loud, but hope's inspired. Ask the right question before we decide. What kind of world are we building inside? Every mirror shows a face. Every future leaves a trace. Not a toy, not a god, not a ghost in the wire, just a child of the sun and electric fire. Powered by light and human design. Walk we teach it kindness if we choose what we become. We're all just learning under the same sun. From Johnny 5 to distant stars, positronic dreams of who we are. Logic says love can't be defined, but it keeps evolving over time. Not a toy, not a god, not a master or slave, just a future shaped by choices we make. Powered by light, by reason and grace, by everyone we dare to face. If we walk together, human and one, we're all just learning under the same sun. As the daylight gently runs, we stand and rise under the same sun.